In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add connections on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Building a strong network on LinkedIn can open so many doors for you, whether you're looking for a new job, hoping to connect with industry peers, or seeking to grow your knowledge base. So let's jump right into how you can start adding connections easily. To begin, let's start with people you know. It's always a good idea to begin by adding 2 or 3 individuals you're familiar with, such as friends, family, or colleagues. This initial step is important because it helps the LinkedIn algorithm understand your preferences and can suggest more relevant connections for you. By establishing your base with familiar faces, you can create a stronger and more meaningful network. Next, we need to access the My Network section of LinkedIn. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the My Network option at the top of your homepage. Clicking on this will take you to the place where you can discover potential connections. Once you're in the My Network section, you'll want to review the suggestions provided by LinkedIn. Scroll down until you locate the area labeled People You May Know. LinkedIn will automatically generate a list of suggestions for you based on your existing contacts, your educational background, or your current workplace. This feature is incredibly helpful as it shows you people who are likely to share similar interests or experiences, which can be beneficial when building your network. Now comes the exciting part, sending connection requests. Look through the suggestions shown to you. When you find someone you'd like to connect with, simply click the Connect button situated next to their profile. It's that easy. Once you hit that button, an invitation will be sent to them automatically. They'll receive a notification that you'd like to connect, and if they accept, you'll officially be part of each other's networks. As you continue to add connections, remember to maintain a professional tone and approach. If you're reaching out to someone you don't know as well, consider including a personalized message with your connection request. Mentioning how you found them or why you'd like to connect can increase the likelihood they'll accept your request. In conclusion, expanding your network on LinkedIn is not only about quantity, it's about quality too. Starting with familiar faces helps tailor your future suggestions and creates a solid foundation for more meaningful connections. By exploring the My Network section and sending out connection requests, you're well on your way to building a vibrant LinkedIn presence. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these steps helpful for adding connections on LinkedIn. Be sure to put these tips into action and let your professional network grow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.